Hi, today I'm going to continue my series One Day, One Picture. For the ones that don't know, this series is about, me, of course, drawing a picture, every single day for 1 year. Okay. So, let's get started. 15th of January. These are very thick. Very thick. Not even like the 14 or 13 or even 11. Okay, so anyway, time for the line. So, one line. If somebody doesn't know, this is the twig, like the koala, this thing that I forgot, a chameleon, and a couple, why do you want to run away? So anyway, that the chameleon is standing on, as you see here. So, one leg, two leg. Today I'm starting with the legs. One leg, two leg. Now, I need to do this and this. I want the knife and the cheek. I know the cheek ended up nothing as I wanted it to end up, but who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Of course, nobody. Kitty, go back. So now for the tail, we are going to have to be with the one here, tail, and now like this. Looks very strange. Oh, because I didn't add the tongue like this. Now it's a chameleon. Okay, now just color this in color. Okay, now it looks better. So now I'll start doing dots. I don't know why I do them so big. Like they were like this. Now they are like this. Why? Nobody knows. Now the one dot here. So now I have to put sparkles in the middle of dots. Not dots in the middle of sparkles. That looks strange. Sparkles in the middle of dots. Okay, so now here one. Here one. Perfect. Okay, done. I'm happy with it. Okay, so anyway. Dots. Now we are adding little dots. Or we can say C's. Or we can say commas. Or dots. I don't know if I already said it, but every comma is going to be replaced by a dot. Okay, now it looks better. Come on, clothespin. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.